Welcome back to Zeno Page Builder. Today we are going to learn how to use the product card button element. The product card button element is a mini element which shows a button to add the product to cart for a product on the page. In order to use the product card button element, we need first insert a product element into the page. By default, the product element has some mini elements inside: a product image, product title, product price, and product card button. Let me remove the default product card button element, and then I can insert a product card button element inside the product. Select a product to show, and it looks like this. Let's walk through the options the product card button element has to offer. First, we have product option that we can select the product to show. Next, you can change the button text. And you see, then we can change the text when the product is shown out. The text when the product is added to cart. The text when the product is added to cart successfully. Or the text when there is not enough to add. After the product is added to cart successfully, we can redirect to the cart page or to checkout page so the clients can check out quickly. We can add a button icon like this. We can change another icon. Let's say I want this one, and it looks like this. We can change the text color, button color, and we can enable hover options to change the color when the element is hovered. I want to add some transparency. Also this one, some transparency, and if I hover on it, you see the effect here. We can change the font, adjust font size, font weight to normal, to bold, or to light. You can enable full width to make the elements stretch across its parent. If full width is visible, then we can align the element to the left, to center, or to the right. We can adjust padding to change the button size. If I make it bigger, you will see the button is bigger. And add some margin like this. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on mastering Zeno Page Builder.